Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use project charts in Zoho Project. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Project account. This is the gateway to your project management universe. Here, you'll find all your projects, tasks, and of course, the charts. Next up, from your homepage, navigate to the Reports tab. Project charts are nestled within this tab, which serves as your project's analytical hub. This helps us because it provides an overview of project progress, task completion, and various other insights. Now, once you're in the Reports tab, click on Project Charts. This will open up a drop-down menu with different types of charts like Gantt charts, resource utilization charts, and task dependency charts. The reason we do this is to allow you to select the chart that best suits your needs. Each chart type offers unique insights and helps you visualize data in different ways. Next, select the type of chart you want to use. For instance, if you want to check the project timeline and task dependencies, select Gantt chart. Now that we've done that, you'll see your project data transformed into a visual chart. This is where the magic happens. You can see task durations, dependencies, and the overall project timeline at a glance. Now, to make the most out of your chart, it's time to customize it. You can filter the data, change the time frame, or even color code tasks. This step is important because it allows you to tailor the chart to your specific needs, making the information more digestible and meaningful. Lastly, save your customizations. That way, the next time you open the chart, you won't have to start from scratch. This is crucial because it saves time and ensures consistency in your data visualization. Let me explain why this matters. Using project charts in Zoho Project not only gives you a clear visual representation of your project status, but also aids in better decision-making. With these charts, you can track progress, identify bottlenecks, and keep a close eye on deadlines. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use project charts in Zoho Project. Remember to play around with different chart types and customizations to find what works best for your project. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch up in the next one.